Subtracting rational numbers with fractions. Remember, we have subtraction. Same, opposite, opposite. Or add the opposite. And then the rules that we've had for fractions is that you have to find a common denominator, equivalent fractions, then you are either going to add or subtract, and then lastly, Taibou or simplify if necessary. Okay, let's take a look at the first example. The first play of a football game resulted in a loss of 12.5 yards. So negative 12.5. Then a penalty resulted in another loss of 5 yards. What is the total loss or gain? So subtraction, negative 12.5. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Opposite of positive 5 is negative 5. So now we have same signs add. Keep the sign. So 12.5 plus 5. When you have the fraction with no other fraction, you just bring it down. 12 plus 5 is 17. We keep the sign. So negative 17.5. All right, let's take a look at number 1. Same, opposite, opposite. We have negative 2/5. Opposite of subtraction is addition. Opposite of 3/15 is negative 3/15. So now we have same signs add, keep the sign. So we are going to do 2/5 plus 3/15. We have to get a common denominator, so we can put 5 and 15 in a ladder, go by 5, go in there 1 time, 3 times. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15. So the lowest common denominator is 15. Now, equivalent fractions say whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. 5 times 3 is 15, so 2 times 3 is 6. 15 times 1 is 15, so 3 times 1 is 3. 6/15 plus 3/15 is 9/15. Okay, but 9/15 can be simplified. We can go 3 times. We get 3/5. And this was negative because we keep the sign. So negative 3/5. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Same, opposite, opposite. We have 3/4 plus positive 1/2. We have to get a common denominator, so we put 4 and 2 in a ladder. We go by 2, go in there 2 times, 1 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4. So 3/4 plus 1/2. Equivalent fractions say whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 4 times 1 is 4, so 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4, so 1 times 2 is 2. 3/4 plus 2/4 is 5/4. 5/4 is improper, so you have to Taibou it out. 4 can go into 5 once. We have 1 and 1/4. All right, let's take a look at the last one. Same, opposite, opposite. Negative 2 plus negative 5/16. This is same signs add. Keep the sign. So we have 2 plus 5/16. Well, there is no other fractional piece to add, so you just bring it down 5/16, bring down the 2, and we keep the sign. So it is negative